Time to pack, time to go. Found a spot over there. I thought this is perfect. No people, and then there were people doing yoga. So no luck in there. I'll keep on looking because my time is running out. There's people doing frisbee stuff. There's people singing. More people doing events. This is a good spot. I have a bench. There's a bench. I need to enjoy what I have. Yeah, it's not as good as the other spots I've seen, but there's people everywhere. People, mountain people see. So let's do this one. Yeah, anyway, it's been barely 2.5 hours and so much has happened. This is why I like this hobby, because it forces me into these little adventures, going places and finding places to fly safely. Yeah, great, there's more people looking at me. Why is there a guy staring at the camera? Yeah, that's the downside of filming what we're doing. Yeah, alright, I gotta go because they'll be throwing fucking frisbees here.